Pavle Jeric, and I coordinate young engineers throughout central Queensland. So in these workshops, we are exploring a range of STEM topics. We always have a theme. So for these summer holidays, our theme is to actually explain to children how Lego is relevant even beyond just as a toy. It's an educational tool, but we use it also in the adult world and in all our professions in sometimes very unusual ways. So they get to hear a bit stories like that, and in the background they build these sort of Lego models that bring certain topics to life, whether it's gears or belts or transmission or coding, as we do here with a whole range of sensors. So in addition to obviously the science and the STEM skills, kids are developing another range of skills. So from teamwork, learning how to negotiate, how to work well with a partner, take turns, steps, give each other feedback. So those are all team building kind of skills that they also develop. And of course fine motor skills, especially for the younger kids, where you've got little pieces that need to be connected, following instructions, a bit of mathematical skills as well. They need to identify the size of Lego pieces, count them, look a little bit around ratios and so on. So there's quite a lot of skills in this package. There is quite a lot of proper engineering skills and careers that they can explore. We do a lot around mechanics and a little bit with civil kind of engineering as well, but we also have a lot of coding involved, so there's software engineering, programming involved as well. But we also have quite a lot of opportunities for the creativity to come through. So a lot of our kids will of course master the STEM bits, but they make their models look appealing, have a great design, so there's a creative aspect to this as well.